In this video I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in Google Sheets. It is very easy. What we need to do is open a new sheet, then go to File, and there we will go to Settings. Now after that we want to select our time zone. As you can see, we can select our time zone over here. So once you have clicked on that, then you will search for your own time zone. I will search for my own time zone and that will be around +1 GMT. So I will select it. After that, save and reload. And as you can see, it will be reloaded now. I will zoom a little bit in for you guys so you can see it better. And now if we will type this formula, then we can check and verify if the time zone is set correctly. So type in equals now and then open bracket and close bracket and then enter. As you can see, we have successfully changed the time zone in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!